Hello everyone and welcome to this new Hinelson Academy tutorial titled How to Clean Metals on a Boat. In this video, I'll show you not only how to clean metals, but also how to clean fiberglass, thanks to ISO. Everyone knows this product, which was created in 1984 by ISO Marine Product in America. In Italy, it is distributed by Brava SRL, a company with over 100 years of experience in the nautical field. We'll try cleaning a section of stainless steel on the pulpit, an aluminum area on the hatch, and a section of the fiberglass deck. What will we use? Gloves, absorbent cloth. How do we proceed? Let's start with our pulpit. The area we're focusing on is the part of the bow pulpit where the turnbuckle for the upper lifeline is attached. You can see stains from age and other small incrustations. With a clean cloth, do a rough cleaning to remove dust and other debris that could interfere with the cleaning process. Then apply the cream without overdoing it and spread it with an absorbent cloth. ISO polishing cream can be used on all types of metals, from silver to gold, stainless steel, aluminum, and many others. It's also great for fiberglass, plastics, and plexiglass. But be careful not to use too much. Rub the cloth well over the metal until it looks like the film that forms is even and covers the entire area you're cleaning. Depending on the material you're working on, you'll need to press harder or more gently. Go over it again with a new cloth until it seems like the metal has regained its original shine, or almost. As you see, the difference before-after huge, especially the steel almost 30 years old. Now let's move on to cleaning an aluminum manhole profile. The process we'll use is the same as the one used for steel. Here too, you can see scratches and stains. Apply ISO vigorously until the film mentioned earlier forms. Remove the cream with a cloth until the manhole profile is clean. And here is the before and after. For the final test of ISO polishing cream, we'll use an area of the deck where a textured and a smooth section of the fiberglass surface intersect. Here too, we'll proceed by spreading a bit of cream on the cloth, which we'll use to rub the part of the deck we want to clean. Once applied, use a new cloth to remove it. The result is a clean, shiny surface that's protected over time from the salty environment and more. ISO polishing cream is an excellent product that has maintained its success unchanged from the last century to today. And here too, the result seems clear to me. Enjoy a 5% discount at the time of your purchase by using the code NTUB10. To make sure you don't miss any updates, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.